guys, this is Ball of Happiness here, and right now it is 1:07 a.m. The reason why I am up right now is because I'm going to bed right now, and also I'm going to be waiting for the what's it called? The required weekly test. It is right now. And let me check. I know it's the Wednesday, but what type of Wednesday? Okay. It's the 8th of Wednesday.
The temperature was 78 degrees, the dew point 69, and the relative humidity 73%. The wind was south at 10 miles an hour. 29.90 inches and falling. Across
Okay, I got both of them set. So I'll be getting an alert on this one and an alert on this one. So I'm gonna be editing this out, and it's right now 1:09. It's my alarm set to it's to 9 o'clock. The alarm one, just in case I don't wake up. 9:30. So I got both of them set. So I'll be waking up when the test message is at. Peace.
Lows in the upper 60s. East winds up to 5 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light. Friday, sunny.
Here we go.
This is the National Weather Service in Valley, Nebraska. The preceding audio signals and alarm tones were a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by this signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm system are conducted each Wednesday at 11:15 a.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test is then postponed until the next available non-severe weather day. The alarm tone causes weather radio receivers with the alarm tone feature to be turned on automatically. This alerts you that an emergency broadcast is about to be made. Weather radios with the alarm tone feature are available commercially. The emergency alert system codes and alarm tones are used by weather warnings and emergency messages for 51 counties in eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa, plus Washington, Marshall, Nemaha, Brown, and Doniphan counties in northeast Kansas, and Holt and Atchison counties in northwest Missouri. Once again, this has been a weekly test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System. This concludes the weekly test, and we now return you to our regular programming. At 11 a.m. in Lincoln,